Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to enter COVID entry details using VBA and Excel functions. So we can see the entry form. We have made case number, name, age, place, all the details. We can save and add the new entries in this form. So we have death and recovery form data. Whatever we have entered, that we will show here, whether he recovered, which date, whether he dead, and the date of recovery or death we can enter. That also store in one sheet. Okay, so this is the base, and we can search monthly details, COVID monthly details. See, we can here this is add new, save it, edit. Click on monthly updation. See here, we can update all the monthly COVID cases. When we change the year, that change all the variant also here, Delta, Omicron, all the variants. So we can enter all the details here. So from January to December we can make the calendar. If it's a daily cases, we need to search. We have a COVID daily updating calendar. We can change the year, month, day and all. We can see in all the dates. We can see total recovered cases for that particular date, for the total COVID cases for the particular date. See how it's work. See, when we change the month, it will automatically change the calendar. For this, we are not using the VBA, we're just using the Excel functions. For the monthly and daily calendar, we are not using VBA codings. We can see the storage. We are storing recovery in this sheet. We are storing the daily entries also on another sheet. When we click home button, it will go to home page. Our home page only the monthly details. See, if I want to enter the new data, we need to use developer. If you don't have VBA, go to options, click on customize ribbon. If there is no developer, you can add the developer here. It is available, that's why I'm not adding here. Click on OK. See here, I have created the modules. We have 3 modules: COVID entry, COVID recovery entry, and general. So in this lesson I am going only the general session only. We can split this project as 4 or 5 parts. So in the general, we can see here we have using here row.hidden false. We have 4 modules are here. See, from first one, from 28 till 39 unhidden, remaining all hidden. So wherever we make true, that part we have hidden. So this part already hidden, remaining part all. Here also the same. See the second macro. See monthly updation. From 2 to 10, raw dot hidden is false. the remaining all true. See here also the third one also all true, only 11 to 22 false. The daily calendar also the same way. This part of code I will mention in the description. So I'm adding one more sheet. I'll show you how I made this button. See here, go to insert shape where we can see this type of button. The same type of button I made it, I just name it that button. Same type of button I made it there in this form also. You can see here. I just changed it as add new.